I do want to talk about gold here. Let's bring up the gold chart right now. Now, gold again, I thought we would get a bounce yesterday. It tried. The positive is it didn't take out and close below the lows on the time count. So, again, so far, honestly, I've been disappointed a little bit in gold. I thought we would have gotten a bounce already. We're now at the point of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today would be the ninth red candle or down day in a row. If you look historically, that's pretty rare for gold. It happens, but again, it is rare. Now, I continue to come back to the charts. The charts are the only place that I can come where I get unbiased information, right? So again, my heart might be getting scared, my brain might be panicking a little bit, but ultimately, you look at the chart and you take that emotion away because emotion is your killer. That is the one thing that will make you do the wrong thing at the wrong time. So what I do is I say, okay, let me go to the charts. We didn't get a bounce, but are we still technically into support? And the answer is absolutely we are. So on a basis of charting, right, we very clearly see here that we do have an amazing amount of support right in here. We have lots of this, right? This pivot low here, there's a level in here. This trend line actually goes back even further, and we know that we have this channel from here all the way down to there, and we're still into that level. So again, this is key because, listen, not everything that I say is going to play out. We know this, right? And I preach this to you guys because I want you to understand is that what I do is I analyze probabilities. And so I take as much information as I can get from a chart, and I say, okay, what are the probabilities of a move this way or this way? And when it's high, then I start saying, okay, maybe we get a move in this way. Think about the oil. We just discussed oil earlier on. It was topping at 93, called that, it fell beautifully. Now we're into this level where I actually think we get a bounce. Likely, right? Doesn't mean it's going to happen. So this is one of those scenarios where you have to say, okay, well, it hasn't bounced yet, but we're still into this 1800 to 1815 level, which is still a ton of technical support. Also, if you look at RSIs, different things like that, it continues to show major oversold. So I want to see what happens. In addition, and this is important, tomorrow we get the non-farm payrolls report. That is going to be the end-all, be-all for all this speculation all week. Wednesday, Tuesday, we had the JOLTS number. People said, okay, the JOLTS number amazingly strong. Lots of job openings from that report. The yields went higher. Markets got panicked. The dollar obviously ripped higher, and we saw the markets and gold come down. On Wednesday, we saw ADP came in a little bit lighter. Yields pulled back, right? So these are the things. The market is a yo-yo right now. And the jobs number is really, in my opinion, number one, right? So this is number one right here is the jobs number tomorrow, and that will kind of put a stamp. And my guess is we either see a major move up in yields, the 10-year potentially attacking 5%, or yields have a big pullback. Because again, this jobs number is going to make people say, aha, we now have a definitive, is the job market really super strong still, or is it starting to weaken significantly? And that, again, will affect the yields. It'll affect the dollar. It'll even affect gold significantly on the chart.